Hi, I'm Bruce with Fluke. A lot of people ask, how do you select the right multimeter when you're starting out in the trade? From a feature perspective, I think of three things that a multimeter must have. Number one, voltage. Does it have AC and DC voltage? Number two, resistance and continuity. Can you use the meter to determine if the wire is broken? And number three, current. Can you actually measure the current going through the wire? The second thing I look for in a meter is safety. You have to ensure that your meter is safety rated to Cat 3 600 volts. And this is a critical feature to make sure that you get home from the job safely at night. The third thing I like to think about in a digital multimeter is size and portability. They range in size from this one, which is pretty small, to very big, heavy, and robust. You need to ask yourself, which tool do you need for the job? This is a tool that you can take with you no matter where you go. You can put it in a shirt pocket when you're climbing up a ladder. It fits inside of a tool bag. The other thing about Fluke meters is they're all safety drop rated to 1 meter. So if you're climbing a ladder, trying to get into a tight spot, and this thing falls out of your bag, it's still gonna work. That's something you wanna look for in a meter, and Fluke has that reliability. So there you have it. How do you select the right multimeter? Thank you for watching. My name is Bruce. I hope you have a great day. Subscribe to our channel, and we will catch you next time.